Good evening, everyone. We want to welcome you all to another episode of the Black Market Podcast, presented by Hack the Markets. I am one of your co-hosts, AC, also known as the Market Oracle.
Raheem and Drain here, ready to get it. Good Friday, Junior.
What's
Oh
going on,
yes,
everybody?
sir.
4K Ken checking in.
Yes, sir. Hey, so
Yeah.
how the trading week been treating you guys?
Man, it's a lot of opportunities out here. It's kind of hard to pick. It's hard to strategize and be focused on one. You hear about another one and you want to jump to that. But I've been staying within these indexes. Some you saw a lot of movement in those today, and they've been up for the past week. So that's where I've been mainly living and dying at.
Yeah,
The past 3 weeks.
yeah,
Hey, I feel you on that. I mean, at this point, I'm just trying not to have FOMO by trying to get in.
Exactly.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Can't have
everything
that.
is surging almost.
That's been my thing is I can't find out the one thing the one area I want to stick into and kind of move from there.
Yeah. When a lot of opportunities come out there, it definitely can get a little tricky on what you want to actually get in on compared to. Because there's so many things. Like that's the thing that I have to battle too. I see like 10 different things, and I'm like, can't get in on all 10. Which one do I want to get in on though?
Right.
How the week been treating you, man? AC?
You said what about me?
Yeah. No, I said, how the week been treating you? How you been?
Oh, yeah. So I was getting beat up by Bowen, so I had to jump out of that bad boy, like I had talked about in the beginning of the week. But I did end up getting in on the short on that thing right before the market. So because of that, before the earnings came out before the market, so I got in on that one like the day before, and it turned out to be pretty good. It's still looking like I think it's in some type of channel or something. I don't know what it's doing to be honest. It looks like it's in the channel though. Very, very, very low time frame channel.
Hmm.
So I'm hoping that this thing just kind of make one more swing to the downside. I'll probably close out and then move on to something else. But I got a couple other plays that's doing pretty good too.
Gotcha. Shoot, it's that earning season.
Yep,
Uh,
definitely
time-
earning season.
Yeah.
that should give us a good catalyst to see what we're gonna do at these highs, all-time highs again.
Hey.
I got
That
two
make
loaded up right now that I'm waiting on. I can't wait.
You say you got what? Two booted up?
Yeah, I got two of them that's waiting. I think I had shared them with the group earlier, but yeah, I got two trades that I'm waiting on right now. They both look pretty promising too, so definitely waiting on that.
Yeah, the earnings. It's yeah, I got an earning coming up personally on the 11th. Myself for
You
one of
said it's
my
gonna be on the
plays.
11th.
I got one coming
Gotcha.
up November 11th.
Okay.
Should be see what go on. What y'all thoughts on Chinese stocks right now? I feel like they had
Man,
like a nice little slump, but
yeah.
they make
Hey,
a
them
nice.
Chinese stocks, man. I
they
don't know
were
what to
facing
say.
so much news too. It was hard for them to catch a break. So
Yeah,
Mhm. Yeah, they look like they might be finding some footing though. I don't know. We
yeah.
know that. Well, we know we talked about Neo last episode. It is definitely find some footing.
yeah.
I was looking at this other company called. It's another Chinese company called Baidu.
That's
Oh yeah, I know about that one.
the
Yeah, I know what you're
Chinese.
talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
They're a technology company with internet services and stuff like that. They also are pretty big on some AI. So
Really?
AI is definitely an emerging thing right now too. I like to
Yeah.
keep.
Well,
See, I
now,
really didn't know too much about what they did. I knew that they were I knew it was a Chinese company. I just didn't know exactly what they did.
Internet and artificial
yeah,
intelligence.
I've heard they
Okay.
were the Google of China.
Hmm. Well, hey, that makes sense with that AI.
Yeah. and
Yeah.
they had a lot. They were man. They had a run maybe 3 or 4 years ago that I remember, and I remember they had a bunch of news on them. So
Hey,
No, I think they came up on a scan one time I was looking at. And that's probably about the only exposure that I had to them.
okay.
Yeah,
yeah.
outside of that, I don't think I had too much other exposure to them.
Let's see what they're talking about. We know China has a lot of news, but a lot of that news is not really. China doesn't really give off everything that they got going on till
Right.
the last minute.
Yeah,
Or all to the public.
For example, earnings.
yeah. Hey, those Chinese stocks, man, them boys will go out there and tell you that the earnings gonna be on this day, and then they change it. Be 2 weeks later.
Yeah.
Hey, or it be early. They be like, yeah, we're gonna do it on October 30th, and then that thing start. They be like, no, we're just gonna do it on October 20th right now. Boom. You be like, what?
That's wild.
Yeah, those guys, man, they notorious for changing the date. You'll swear that you're about to get you a nice earnings on the next day. Next thing you know, you like, where the call? Where's the reaction? What's going on? It's no earnings today. It got pushed back. How that happens, I have no idea. I don't even think that's legal.
Man, hey, only China can do it, man. Only China.
Exactly.
So,
I know y'all saw about this meta that's happening.
what a name!
Like,
Well, they got they follow Meta Trader.
I don't know. Facebook gonna be their own payer.
Hey, tell me this: is Facebook changing their name? I keep hearing people say that.
So they're not only changing their name, they're like growing things to like they're creating their own internet, and they're talking about teleportation, leading part of like gaming.
Hold on.
This thing is
Hold on. Teleportation.
so it quote, it'll teleporting around metaverse is going to be like clicking a link on the internet.
Wow.
Hold on. First off, I know I must be confused. What is the metaverse? Because I know I'm just lost right now.
It's like they say it's like a mobile internet.
So it's a mobile internet.
I guess essentially it puts you into like you can just go into the internet and
Hold on. So this is a physical experience that we're talking about.
Yeah.
So we're not talking about just clicking, typing on keyboards or anything like that now.
Right. You're like
so we're talking about some open up the portal, walk through and see what's on the other side type stuff.
Right.
Really?
Oh man, nah, y'all can have it.
That's what I'm saying. What type of futuristic
Nah, y'all can have that, man.
stuff are we?
They trying to take out. They already got all the data. They trying to get us locked in.
Man, get your DNA. They want your brain.
We're gonna have an imitation version of us when we come back out.
Hold on, man. So you mean to tell me what company is doing this? You said
Meta, Facebook,
the giant.
So that's what the new Facebook is called now.
Yeah,
it's called Meta.
Mm-hmm.
Where did they get this name from?
Look,
because of metadata and all that
really
stuff.
Really trying to get. I don't know what.
Hey, it may seem like he is unveiling what he really been working on all these years.
All right, so I got too many questions, man, because I know they got the Oculus Rift and all that stuff. So
and you know what this could turn into? This could be another pump and dump, just like Shiba. Could be like the coin type thing.
Hey, I'm so happy you said Shiba, man, because I gotta talk about that, man. I gotta talk about these cryptocurrencies, man.
What you got?
I gotta talk about some of these cryptocurrencies, man. And I'm talking about the meme currencies. I'm not talking about the ones that have like real deal people behind them, real deal applications. I'm talking about the stuff that when you walking down the street, the garbage man is now recommending that you buy Shiba. That's not good, man. That is not good at all. If you got everybody and their mama telling you to go buy an investment, you better stay away from that investment.
That's the first rule.
I'm trying to tell you.
You better stay away.
Because somebody already is rich off of it.
I'm telling you. Like, It's so many people talking about Shiba now to the point where I know it's not going anywhere. Let's look at Dogecoin for a first example. I know me and Raheem was talking about this a little earlier.
Mm-hmm.
So you got Dogecoin. That's basically a dog. They put an E at the end, it's dog coin. They put an E at the end, made you guys think, because Dodge just has a whole another D in there. So that's not Dogecoin. So, and then why they got the dog on the coin? I mean, I'm just putting two and two together, just letting you guys know.
Right.
So the type of dog it is, the reason why they even made this thing is because the Shiba Inu dog that went viral on the internet. That's the whole reason why we got Dogecoin now.
Yep.
Or Dogcoin, whatever you want to call this thing. So we got that going. So now they make a meme of the meme. Now we got Shiba Inu, the actual token. So now it's like, what is really going on? Why are people really buying this thing, thinking that this thing is just going to take off and make them money?
I have yet to hear why it was even a use of it, a singular use of it.
It has no use. Zero. It's not going to have a use. The thing is a Shiba Inu. It's a dog.
The folks are up here swearing up and down. That's crazy.
So, I mean, I just want to know, like, why are people lining up to just throw their money away? My biggest question is this. All right, my biggest question is this, and maybe you guys can help me out with this question. Why is it that people spend so much time researching new televisions, new cell phones, new all this other technology? Even if the new bag is coming out, what is it made out of? Shoes, what is it made out of? What's the material? All this type stuff. They're doing all this. They know the colorways. They know all this information. And they know all, but yet they go out here and buy Shiba Inu just because somebody told them to.
Hey, they feel like it's just, this is how you're supposed to do it nowadays.
Right, you're supposed to ride with the wave, ride with the wind.
That's a new thing, man. What you
they don't want to go out there and do their own homework. You got to ride with what everybody else is doing.
I'm telling you. Hey, oh man, it's just crazy. I don't understand it. I really don't. But hey, it ain't made for me to understand, I guess.
Look, I didn't buy into the hype, so I didn't have. I saw somebody put like 40,000 or something on Shiba, and then it did, and then they bought more.
Wow. So
it's just like,
yeah, I don't know. These guys are crazy with it. So I'm gonna just hope for the best for them, and that's all we can do right now. Just hope for the best for them.
Opportunity again. They said the last ship took off. I'm not gonna miss this.
I'm not gonna miss this one.
And I don't care if I gotta spend all my rent money and my mortgage money.
Hey,
you saw last time Meek Mill went in there and bought some Doge for $50,000 worth and thing tanked. So it's just speculation.
Exactly. It doesn't matter who's trading this thing. Like, just because you're a celebrity and you bought it, guess what? They don't care. Money doesn't care if you're a celebrity or if you a guy off the side of the street.
Market maker said that's nice.
Exactly. All the market maker cares, what color is it? Green? Okay, I need it in my pocket. Let me go ahead and extract it.
Hey, you ain't lying, boy.
Because I mean, like,
this thing still is just, it's doing it still like 0.0000.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I know somebody that got 1 million or close to 1 million of them things. They sitting on them, just waiting. I don't know how much money that costs, but they waiting. If the thing hit $1, they're gonna be rich. But is it gonna hit $1?
Zeros in front of it.
Is how many?
4 zeros in front of the number before it even start. A whole number.
This thing is so tiny, man. Like a penny is like buying you probably like what, 1,000 shares.
Something like that.
So does that mean we should put a penny on it at least?
I'm gonna put a penny on it. I'll put a penny on it.
That's my risk tolerance. Anything more
than my risk tolerance is a penny for Shiba.
Hey, look, boy, I kind of like how low of a price it is. Y'all got me thinking over here now.
Man,
I'm just put $1 up on it. Shoot, I only put $1, man. I ain't putting no more than $1. And my dollar bet, hey, I'm finna be like these people. My dollar better turn into 100,000.
Hey, I put a little focus on that thing, man. That ain't nothing right there.
Nah. I mean, this is a very, very cheap trade, but man, I'm not gonna be sitting here trading no mess that got 4 zeros in front of it, man.
Bro, 4 zeros, bro.
You gotta
I
sit
have
there and count how many zeros. And we not talking about because you got commas in between.
No.
I'm not trying to do that type of counting.
Because we got a decimal in front of the zero.
Yeah, exactly. Red, what that is, 10 to the negative power.
Man.
We don't want that, man.
Yeah, that's too crazy. Hey,
Yeah, they going the opposite way with that.
To a dollar, Joker definitely will be.
Hey, they gonna be rich.
Hey, on another level, my boy.
I'm seeing people having this. Well, there are people that have billions of shares of Shiba.
You said billions.
Yes, they bought into it to that extent.
How in the world do they even have billions of this
I don't
token?
even know how. Like, what is the market cap? What is the?
How many? That's what I was about to say, Mike. How many tokens are in circulation for this thing?
Yes, everybody can get one if you want one.
Is it infinite?
Did y'all hear that Shiba was coming to Robinhood? If we're gonna keep on talking about this thing, did y'all hear that it's gonna be coming to Robinhood?
The same thing happened to Dogecoin. And what happened? I think what they do, man, is they put the popular ones on there because they know that all the dummies is trading it and they just gonna take everybody's money.
On Robinhood.
Yep.
So Robinhood need to get money for when they had that debacle and they was stopping everybody from trading with GameStop and stuff. So they said, man, we got screw this. We got to build up a cash flow. So now they're going to go screw everybody on the Shiba Inu and take it down, take all your money, and boom. Now they can go back out here and screw some more folks on the GameStop.
Yeah, I know what's gonna happen on that when that Joker hit Robinhood, man. You can't deny that.
Yeah.
And then Robinhood is now got a crypto wallet on the way.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they got a crypto wallet?
On the way.
Yeah.
Really? Oh, it's on the way.
On the
Yeah,
way.
you can sign up for it.
But I'm just waiting on this PayPal. What happened to PayPal? Trading platform.
You know what? I forgot that they were supposed to do that.
Was
I wasn't gonna use them anyway, so I ain't care. But hey,
that was like user friendly, like Robinhood. You know, that's what they were supposed to be coming out with.
Yeah. I don't know.
I ain't seen nothing. I ain't seen nothing.
Maybe they put that on the back burner or something. Maybe they saw Robinhood get burned and they said, "Man, we just gonna sit back for a second."
Right. Let's regroup before we make the same mistake.
Don't go out there just yet now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to tell you, boy.
It's ruthless out here, man. These people are really have you on the edge, bro. Like,
but like you're like that's what I'm saying. Like if you have to have 2 Bitcoins to be able to make do damage or have 1 million shares or something, that's a really tough thing to trade. That's a lot to trade. Or even think like, how do you value the entire? Do you piecemeal it? You need a strategy to trade that much?
You talking about that Shiba?
I mean, any of it is. I mean, both Shiba and the amount you have to have for it to be a logical trade.
Hey, get on that Shiba, man. You don't even. It ain't no logic when you get on Shiba, bro. It ain't no logic. You just go on there and just go for it.
They see 4 zeros and zero turn into $1 like that.
Hey,
like, come on,
bro. You gotta understand that anybody that's trading that, them folks, man, they so desperate to make some money, and they'll put it all up on this because it's so cheap. They don't understand that they can go out here and just do some other stuff. Like they can put $200 up somewhere else and make $100 and some dollars real quick.
Hey, that would trip me out is when people feel like just because this money move like this every day. This ain't nothing new for trading. If you trade, you see this type of money move every day.
Right.
Exactly.
You just see it move for a logical reason, not because whatever.
Really, for real.
Crazy, bro.
If y'all like the Shiba, everybody out there, the Shiba person you like, you feel like, you like how trading work, how money move, we can show you how to actually know when to get in and when to get out. every single day. Whenever if you want to do it every single day, you want that feeling every single day.
Tell me.
But
And it ain't like you got to. I mean, shoot, you can. You might as well shoot. That's house money, man. If you trading something that got 4 zeros in the front of it, you don't care.
hey,
That's that scratch off.
You don't need nothing but $10, man. You don't care. Like if you
Right.
care about losing $10, man, bro, you just don't need to trade no more. Cause you trade something that got 4 zeros in the front.
Yeah.
I'm just curious to see like what $10 would get me with something with 4 zeros in the front of it.
Look, I told you, I done talked myself into putting 4 for 4 on it. I put a 4 for 4 on that thing, man.
Oh man, that's a ridiculous.
Hey,
bro, you can get $1 million of them things off $10.
That's why I'm saying people have been to billions.
Is that real?
Yes.
that just like really just mind blowing.
That's what makes you see like how many of these do you have to have for it to like move and make you some money?
If it go to $1, it don't matter if you had one of them. If it go to $1,
bro.
if that
$10 gets you $1 million.
If it go to 50 cents,
Man. Well, look, then
They go to 50 cents, man. You got 500 racks.
Joe, just go into $1. No.
What that bad boy hit 14 cents?
Like,
Did it hit 14 cents? I don't even think it hit 14 cents. I might be giving it too much.
That doggy dog done for. I don't see nothing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, it's going down like one of them greyhounds, man. That broke his leg, man. It's out of here.
Okay, there we go. 17 was the bottom. Oh my
What was the top?
74.
Hold on, what you looking at?
Robin or Coinbase?
Okay. It looked like we had a slight recovery today on crypto too.
See, I hadn't checked mine to be honest. I need to get on there and check it.
Because that joker didn't hit that. Hey, when it tanked out a little bit yesterday, it didn't hit my alerts. I set them alerts if it went below more than it went yesterday.
Gotcha.
Alert.
That's good to know at least.
It was 57 was the peak. Yeah, 57. I don't know what I'm saying. 74.
No, I'm so happy to see.
No, hey, that doggy dog went up about 40% today.
For real? Yeah. Where is it right now?
It's at 30 cents.
Yeah.
Okay.
It just went from 20 cents to 30 cents.
Uh-oh.
They just wanted to get back. They didn't have enough news in the last 3 months. They wanted to just get some more attention.
I mean, literally, because okay.
I'm really interested to see like who in the world is buying this stuff.
That was surprising for dog. I sold my dog yesterday. Sold all
Man, I'm trying to understand, man, like who is out here buying this stuff.
I still kept a few in there just in case those people want to go ahead and surge it up again. I'm already.
Already.
Hey, you'd be crazy if you didn't do it.
Hey, I'll watch. One change in Shiba. I'm gonna get a low. I'm gonna hit it on the low too.
Bro, $10. That's all you need to get $1 million.
I'm telling you, boy. That's too crazy.
That's hilarious. That's all I can say, man. That is hilarious. I see why so many people having $1 million now.
Yeah.
It's attainable. It is attainable.
For sure. Man, you put $100 on that, man. You rich.
Y'all heard anything else about infrastructure bill yet?
I think Joe Biden. I think Regeneron Joe went to sleep, man. He need to get rejuvenated again. That boy don't be. He need to start opening his eyes, man. Because I haven't heard anything from him.
Yeah.
I haven't heard anything from him about anything though. Not even just the infrastructure bill. I'm talking about anything.
Right.
Last real time we heard from Biden was when we were pulling out from what were we pulling out? Afghanistan?
You said who?
I think we were pulling out of Afghanistan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I was trying to make sure it was Afghanistan and not Pakistan and all that stuff. I think it was Afghanistan though. Yeah, once we were pulling out of that, that's the last time I really heard it from General Joe, man. I ain't heard nothing else from a man.
You know, he seems like he's still talking about this 1.75 billion plan.
So I'm trying to understand because the numbers just keep going up and down, up and down. Like, where are we now? Like, what's the infrastructure bill now? Where we at now?
1.75 trillion.
1.75 trillion now. Golly.
For climate measures, preschool, and social initiatives.
What is that?
What is that? What
social initiatives. Please tell me what the social initiatives are.
I don't know what social initiatives is.
Right.
But I think I don't know. I know Biden always talk about, you know, he always talk about us being together. He do always talk about that.
Yeah.
What he gonna do? Have a no, I ain't gonna say.
With 1.75, what's your plan?
I ain't gonna say.
Hey, his plan is to put it all in a room and swim in it like Scrooge McDuck. That's all you gonna do with that, man. Like, what are you really doing? You gonna stand out front of the White House and just throw it in the air like he just the godfather of the United States.
And that's what they're saying. This bill is gonna run the economy and put some serious movement in.
Hey.
If they're about to spend 1 point something million, almost trillion, almost $2 trillion, that's a lot of money. That is a lot of money.
They call it the Build Back Better.
And so look at this. We got almost $2 trillion that's about to come up that's getting printed probably. And they wonder why everything is going high. They wonder why the groceries are high. They wonder why the gas is high. They wonder why all this stuff is high. But yet, everybody want to say, well, we can't just print money. That's why you can't just print money. Because, yeah, you keep printing money, but you're going to still be sitting here complaining because now you got to pay $6 for gas. You got to pay $8 for milk. You doing all this craziness, but you wanted them to print this money because that's how you said that you should solve it. Because you don't understand that the more you print, the more inflation goes and the more things cost. And now you sitting here looking crazy because your idea and what you thought was the perfect plan is actually the worst plan that could ever be put into existence.
Man, he say he's gonna get the unions going and everything.
It sounds good in theory.
It sounds excellent. Because it's like, what, we can print money? Why not just print more?
That'll fix everything.
If it was that easy to fix the economy, don't you think we would have been fixed the economy by just printing enough money and just giving it to everybody and been like, all right, y'all live now? If it was that easy, it would have been fixed. Like, come on now.
Hey, yeah.
And now I go back to what I was talking about before. When I said, if everybody talk about the investment, stay away from it. If everybody got the same bright idea, that's probably some stupidness that they talking about.
Right. For real.
Hey, I'm telling you, boy. Sure, I know he did say, in regard to the climate thing.
Okay.
Thing I talk about, he's gonna try to get all the school buses to be electric school bus. But I just got a notice from crypto.com. And they are promoting Shiba. I ain't mean to just stop in the middle.
Yo.
FBI man.
Hey, we just started talking about shit. Hey, man, the phone listening, man. We got to turn them off, too. Listening. We just heard about Meta. They finna try to suck you into the Meta, Raheem. You gotta fight the force, bro.
Fight the Meta.
Don't click on the link. Don't click on the link. You might
click on it, bro.
Hey, you click on that thing, man, you gonna disappear. We ain't gonna see you.
That is too crazy, bro. Okay, so prize pool, 10 Shiboshis.
What?
Shiboshis.
What is a Shiboshi?
Is it a spinoff?
Man, that don't sound like some sushi.
crypto app users have a chance to win a Shiboshi of their choice and a share of 100,000 in Sheeb.
What is a Shiboshi? So 100,000 sheaves is a Shiboshi?
Okay, so this is gonna be pretty interesting. So Shiboshis are a collection of 10,000 exclusive Shiba token generated NFTs.
Oh, the NFTs.
Oh, that's huge.
Okay.
Okay, I see how they're doing this now.
Cause I'm like, what in the world is a Shiboshi?
Yeah, well, it's everything. The money is converting, and the money going somewhere else.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The NFT market. I can only imagine how much money been moved through there already.
I'm gonna draw me some, man. I'm gonna put me a stick figure out there and sell it for about 100,000.
Y'all know Tory Lanez has an NFT now, right?
Hey, that joker. Hey, he dropped that.
I think he has some coin too.
I know these professional sports are getting into it as well.
Yeah.
Man, so I think Coinbase allow you to buy NFTs on there now too.
So my question is this: like, what is considered a good NFT? Like, what is the criteria to say, you know what, this right here is a good NFT to buy?
Hey, Shiboshi is a good one.
Right. Whatever's got the most popularity, and because again, why are we seeing?
Man, that's so funny, man. It sounds like some characters off Mario.
Shiboshi, bro.
Man,
they put Shiba and Yoshi together. Oh dang, you know that's the dog on Mario Yoshi. They got
I'm trying to tell you, bro. They put the dogs on the bro. I'm telling you, they try. Y'all not fooling us, man.
Hey, they creative.
They very creative. I'll give them that.
Hey,
A for effort.
wow.
A for effort. I'll definitely give you that. A for creativity. But usability and getting money out of me, L.
Right.
But yeah, boy, I had to say something about that. That just popped up on the screen. That was too crazy, boy. What I was originally saying with Biden he said that he is trying to make all the school buses electric. He want all the school buses electric. That's going part of the deal. So I feel like, yeah, that could be a major thing for our climate.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Electric school buses.
Yeah.
But we would really have to have a good battery for that thing, right?
Man,
and how long
little kids ain't gonna never make it to school.
The battery in all school buses.
And he said he building 500,000 charging stations.
He gonna build.
I mean,
he gonna be out that bad boy, hand and nail. Golly, okay.
He building charging stations. So this EV thing is just really, he really pushing it.
This dude, man. Let me ask, like, how much support does he have though? Because everything keep changing. Because remember, he had like all these provisions for like electric vehicles and all that stuff. Mm-hmm. Then I think they had the infrastructure. They was going to build out the infrastructure for that. Like, it was some more things that they had, and I think it was for the solar and for all this other mess.
Oh, yep, the solar. Yep, I did hear about the solar. Yep.
So it's like
solar panel. That's gonna they're gonna make jobs from that too by solar.
I'm just interested.
That's pretty interesting. I know some people who recently have got some solar panel jobs.
And see, I'm interested to know, like,
for a hot topic for they're trying to get that solar on the roofs and everything.
Okay. I'm just interested to know, like, how much backing does he have?
I mean, you know what he said, bipartisan. You know them jokers ain't going for it.
Yeah, they're not budging with that.
You know, they ain't going for that.
They're not going. I don't know how.
But,
so I wonder, like, how are you gonna resolve this? Like, that's what I'm looking for. Is like, what is the resolution? Like, what is gonna be the final bill, and what's it gonna cost us?
Hey, it gonna cost something. Some gonna have to give.
Some gonna shake.
Because people are wondering and asking, where are you, Regeneron show? What's going on?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like you've been talking all this mess. We voted you in. What's going on now?
Y'all, so y'all know whenever Trump was in office, he kind of stopped that stock buyback by taxing those companies.
Hmm.
He stopped the stock buyback by taxing them for buying back, getting like corporate tax on
Yeah,
them.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Especially the banks. He definitely stopped the banks from doing the
Yeah.
buybacks.
Hey, Biden might be all right with it.
Man, all I can say, man, is Biden is he biting the economy for sure.
He said Biden the economy. Hey, his name gonna be the economy man.
Kind of.
That's the economy man.
This is the econ.
But for real life, man. For real life. Shoot, Apple had earning after the clock today.
Okay. See, I saw that it had got onto a breakout. I was looking at them earlier. I didn't know that they had earnings today, but I did see that they were on a breakout.
Yeah, apparently this their first time missing on sales in a long time.
Okay, so they missed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I saw this.
Okay, so that means I haven't seen it, but I'm hoping that we can get a correction in
Yeah, it gave I think it got a nice little pullback here on after hours.
there. Okay.
So that's gonna be that's interesting to me. With everything, this season still coming up.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, they just waiting. Everybody, of course, they didn't have no sales because they ain't have none of people to be buying.
Yeah.
Like
This next one, especially that new release of the Ive, is definitely going to do it. So should at least you would think.
Yeah. We'll see. It'll definitely pan out
man,
pretty soon.
this joker done shot up after market from the earnings.
I mean, they've I've seen that. What that is it? The 13 now?
Oh yeah, the iPhone 13 coming.
It's coming. Black Friday holiday.
Yeah. That time of the year is definitely upon us now.
That might not be a bad play to just get in there.
No, I think somebody in the group had actually asked about that today. I did a
Yeah.
little quick analysis on it.
Mm-hmm.
That was a good thing, though. Always good to see the people inside the chat actually put forth some effort and ask some questions. I always like that.
Oh yeah, I did see that earlier too.
Yeah. But I shoot, we done got to that time of the show. Then we can go ahead and share us some picks that we got, and then get up out of here.
Man, I'm gonna go with this Meta. There's a couple other. I was looking at some of these.
That boy said he going with Meta. Man, I don't know if I can go with Meta, man. That right there.
Reality companies. So there's one that shot up 51% today. So I would look at a short for there because who knows what Meta is going to do. What was the name of that one?
That's a good thought process right there because, man, Meta, that just sounds like some wild stuff, man.
That don't sound futuristic, but
yeah, that's way too futuristic for me.
Matrix.
Hey, yeah, I like technology and stuff, man, but that right there just might be a little bit too much for me right there.
I'm saying too far.
Yeah, bro, I think I'll pass on that
one. Intimidating. Because I mean, you think about this guy, like you can't put anything past this guy.
There we go. It's called Glimpse Group.
Okay.
It was up 51%, and then Roblox is another one gaming wise that I
Oh yeah, game.
There's gonna be some opportunities in there. Oh, gold is setting up too. I know I talked about that on Monday, but it's sitting at a key level, so that could be an opportunity for some breakouts there.
Okay.
On the forex side.
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
What y'all thinking?
I'm just right now. I'm sticking with my pick from earlier. Where I'm saying what Baidu finna do.
Okay.
And I'm I'm just gonna, earnings coming up like next week. My contract is for the week after earnings, so
Okay, you'll be able to capture that move.
yes, sir.
Oh yeah,
Sure. Gotta hit them a little early.
oh yeah.
A little
I got
early.
I got Northrop Grumman on my list. I'm watching them.
I saw them today. They
I'm
came.
watching them. They had decent earnings, but they moved
Yeah.
down. So
You said
because
who?
of that, that's when my
Northrop
ears
Grumman.
perk up.
Mm.
So interesting to see. I haven't taken the trade just yet, but I do have it on my watch list. I'll be probably taking that trade pretty soon.
Mm. Yeah, hey, we got some news tomorrow for the dollar releasing some news. The price index, core price index,
With this bill, they're gonna go ahead and push the dollar then. So
measuring the goods and services targeted towards the consumed by individuals.
Okay,
spell it out.
well, that's some good information to have,
Yeah.
so that everybody can get prepared for tomorrow.
Mm.
And with that being said, all the preparation. If y'all need a little bit more preparation, y'all want to really, really get down to it and make a little bit more money. Besides the few trades that we give out, the ideas that we give here. If you want to know how to really trade them ideas that we're talking about, or you want a whole lot more ideas, you want access to what we're talking about, um, what everybody else in the group is talking about and all that, definitely head over to hackthemarketstrade.com. You can get you a free account. You can get yourself a premium account. Premium account, of course, has everything. We're gonna be answering your questions. We're gonna let you ask whatever. We're gonna be throwing out trades. We're gonna be teaching you. We're gonna be showing you some strategies, all that type stuff. Other than that, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram, go like our Facebook page, and for sure, you have to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That helps us out. Comment below. That helps out with the algorithm as well too. So with all that being said, anything else y'all want to add before we get up out of here?
That's it, man. Hey, go blue. That's what I need to add.
That man said go blue. Hey, y'all do have a good y'all got a good matchup this weekend with Michigan State.
Yeah.
I'm interested to watch that one. I want to see what happens. Because last time it was a good game like this, Michigan State messed up and took that thing off that boy's foot and took it to the house and won. I said, man, what kind of mess is this?
Yeah, that's PTSD. There's some battles that are going on this weekend. So.
Yeah, I think y'all
Yeah.
rivals got something going on too. Ohio State. Oh, I know about Georgia and what it is, Georgia and Florida.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Largest outdoor cocktail party.
Hey, the Braves, baby, too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going out there to game 5, man. So it is gonna be a game 5. They lost. I ain't want them to lose. I wanted it to be a sweep, but then I was like, just lose once so I can make it to the game.
That's it. That's all. They just wanted to come home anyway.
Exactly. Just lose once so I can make it to the game. That's it.
It's on.
Outside of that, though, we're gonna let everybody go. Hope that you guys have a excellent trading week, and we'll see you guys on Monday.